this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone without the password. Just swipe on down from the top right and go to power and power it off right here by tapping this a few times. And when your phone is powered off, the key is really to have a USB cable just like this plugged into your computer or a laptop or something like that. And when the phone is turned off, just simply plug this in. And you can see it's going to charge from your computer with this USB cable. Just hold down on the power button and the volume up button now. And hold this down for like 5 to 10 seconds. If nothing happens, let go and hold it down again. So you can see nothing's happening. I'm going to go ahead and just let go now. And then press this down again. And it should launch you into this recovery screen. And you're going to see the Samsung logo here in a second. Okay, perfect. Now just use the volume up and down to control this menu and hit the power button to select it. So let's go on down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button. Now we have the option to completely wipe everything. So if you don't remember your lock screen password or whatever, you can go ahead and still factory reset this phone without it. So then you can just sign in with your normal account and the lock screen will be removed. Only bad thing is you're going to lose some pictures probably. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.